Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new video or photo to your project on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and click to the plus icon at the lower left corner of the screen. Here you can select photos and videos from your device and just select one and tap to the OK button. New, if you want to add a new photo or a video to your project, click to the plus icon at the lower left corner of the screen again. And just select another photo, for example, and click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.